This is Melanie at Centervention, and in this brief video tutorial, I'll be reviewing how to archive a student account that you no longer wish to have on your roster of students in Centervention. When you archive a student account, it does not delete it. It simply moves it off the active students list onto the archive list so you do not see that student on your roster. It does not remove the license and it does not delete any data. For example, you might want to archive a student if they moved, graduated, or no longer have them as a student. So let's get started.
You will first log into your educator account at app.centervention.com. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Students page from the left-hand side toolbar. On the Manage Students page and the My Students tab under Student Information is where you will see a list of your active students. You'll see that to the right of Student Information is another tab called Archive Students. This is where the student accounts will be moved to once you archive them. Let's go ahead and archive some students now. Make sure you are on the Student Information tab. Select the students you'd like to archive by checking the box to the left of their name. Then you will use the Choose Action for Selected Students dropdown and select Archive Students, then choose Archive. Those students will then be moved to your archive list. You can always go back to the archive list if for some reason you need to unarchive a student and move a student back. You can just use the blue arrow to unarchive the student, which will move them back. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to use the live chat button located on the bottom right-hand side of your educator account, or you can always reach out to us at support@centervention.com.